Welcome to Engine Explorer. Would you live in this tiny van? That's the question we're answering today as we take the all-new 2025 Suzuki Carry Camper for a real-world test. It's compact, affordable, and surprisingly versatile. But can this micro machine actually replace your apartment? At first glance, the 2025 Suzuki Carry looks like any other key truck. Small, practical, no nonsense. But look closer, and you'll see it's been transformed into a full-featured camper that's ready to hit the road. It's not flashy, but it's smart. Very smart. Slide open the side door and step into what Suzuki calls a modular micro living space. You get a convertible sofa bed, fold-out table, roof-mounted solar panels, and even a mini kitchen with a sink, portable stove, and a fridge. Yes, a fridge, in a van that's under 12 feet long. The roof pops up for standing room, and there's surprisingly clever storage hidden under every surface. And thanks to lightweight materials and smart insulation, it doesn't feel cramped. You won't be hosting a dinner party in here, but for solo travel or a minimalist couple, it works. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood is a 660cc engine paired with a hybrid motor for improved fuel efficiency, up to 35 kilometers per liter. It's not built for speed, but it'll get you anywhere, even those off-grid spots the big RVs can't reach. Add in rear-wheel drive or optional 4WD, and suddenly this little van becomes a mountain goat. On the road, the Carry feels nimble. City driving is effortless. Parking is a dream. And out on the trails, it holds its own, no problem. And the best part? The entire camper conversion package starts at under $18,000. That's right, less than a used SUV. So, back to the big question. Would you live in this tiny van? If you value simplicity, mobility, and adventure on a budget, the answer might be yes. The 2025 Suzuki Carry Camper proves that bigger isn't always better. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Could you make this your home on wheels?